Get a feel for the 2020 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. With less than 85,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is the larger four-door version of the iconic Jeep Wrangler. Known for its rugged design and unmatched off-road capabilities, this model offers increased interior space for passengers and cargo. Key features include a powerful engine, advanced 4x4 systems, removable top and doors, high ground clearance, and a robust suspension system. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, touchscreen infotainment system, navigation system, keyless entry, premium sound system, satellite radio, backup camera, fog lamps, heated mirrors, dual zone AC. It's the perfect blend of adventure and practicality, making it ideal for both outdoor enthusiasts and families.